Hey ESE peeps, I just found a really cool feature in Teams that I wanted to share with y'all. I did not get permission from Mr. Collier, but I hope he does not mind. This is Mr. Collier's 7th grade math Teams. He has assigned each student their attendance warm-up for Monday, but there's this cool button over here, Immersive Reader. Everybody has this button, Immersive Reader. Click it. It allows you to change the font size if you are a visual reader and you need a larger font. It allows you to change the print if you do not like nasty Comic Sans or whatever print he did. It allows you to change the background. Again, that's a really good accommodation for those that have visual impairments. And then on top of that, you can click play here.
Attendance warm-up, due March 23rd, 2020, 11:59 p.m. Instructions. As your warm-up today, I would like for you to give this post a thumbs up, like, or emoji. I will use this to check attendance for the day.
Y'all, how awesome is that? That's awesome. I'm excited. Just want to let you know. All right. Love you. Bye.